Fire escape inspection summary video. This is Fire Escape Engineers. Here we are at Sutter Street in San Francisco, California. We have, let's talk about this fire escape. This fire escape is in all original hardware except for the first landing that it looks like was added a few years ago, but much after the fact that this was built due to it has new bolts. Now let's talk about this fire escape here in terms of painting. Hasn't seen paint, so I definitely fail in the painting section. And if this fire escape is before 1978, which I'm assuming it is, or is presumed to be, make sure it is painting by the EPA, following the EPA regulations as of April 2010. Now let's talk about the reasons why I'm failing this fire escape. Now let's talk about hardware. This fire escape has original hardware, as indicated here, a square head bolt going to the wall. Now this is anywhere from 50 to 75 years old, which means in order for me to certify this fire escape, I'll either replace these bolts with new bolts, or I do a spot repair on some of the areas that I found and do a load test. So let me go down here and let's point out more original hardware. Now the other thing that, again, more original hardware here and there. Now let's talk about this staircase I'm about to step down. Now this staircase is connecting by this bracket here into here. As you can see, also has original hardware here and here. So this is definitely recommended to be replaced or do a load test. Now treads, let's talk about treads. Now all the treads here, again, except for the first landing, they all riveted. Now that you can see the rivets here, and you also have already rust building up here, and then you got the rivets. So these, in order for me to certify this tread, I'll either replace the rivets with new bolts or I do a load test. As I scroll down, here's my connecting point for the railing, for the hand railing. Also original hardware. So all these floors were built the same way. So I'm gonna find original hardware as I point here, here, and there throughout the fire escape. The same thing connecting to the railing. Now, like I said, in order for me to certify this fire escape as it is, we need to do a load test. Or a load test can be avoided by simply doing a refurbishment, which is basically replacing all original hardware with new hardware, and I'm talking bolts and nuts. Here's more evidence of old bolt. And there's a couple spots here that you'll see in the picture that we have a lot of rust building up throughout the fire escape. But besides that, the problem repeats from floor to floor, except for the first floor. And it basically is you have an all original hardware, hasn't seen paint for quite some time, that needs to either be refurbished or spot repaired and load test. And what I mean spot repairing is basically repairing the areas of concern, which you will see will be pointed out throughout the pictures. This is Fire Escape Engineers inspection summary video. If you have any questions, please call 1-800-649-3333, 1-800-649-3333. Inspector Moses.